Today we are going to look at statistics. Now we have to remember something. Statistics is in two groups. We have the grouped data and also the ungrouped data, right? Now, first of all, what is data? Remember, data is information. Now, information can be collected in many ways. We have primary data and we have secondary data. Primary data is the information that you gather it yourself. However, secondary data was already collected by other persons. We got the information from either the textbooks, internet, and so many other sources. And today, based on the secondary data, we shall use one example. Now, we are going to look at a small question under ungrouped data. Mainly, we are going to analyze the information. We are going to find the mean, the median, mode, and range. Now, what is range? Range is the difference between the highest data and the lowest data. What is mode? Mode is the number or the data which is repeating the most time. The median is the value in the middle after arranging all the data in order, either increasing order or decreasing order. And what is mean? Mean is simply average, the total sum divided by the number of items. Now let's look at this small problem. 10 students did a test and obtained the following marks. Now here we have marks of 10 students who did a test. A, find the range of these marks. Now to find the range of the marks, meaning we have to get the highest mark and we subtract the lowest mark, because range is the difference between the highest and the lowest. So we shall take 8 minus 3 and our range will be 5. B, find the model mark. Now the model mark, this is the mark which is repeating the most times. Now when you look at our information, you'll realize 7 is repeating 2 times, 6 2 times, but 5 is repeating 3 times. Then here we shall conclude that the mark 5 is repeating the most times. Next we have to find the median. Now we have to get all this information and we arrange it in order. We can either arrange it in increasing or decreasing order. Now we are going to arrange it in increasing order. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After arranging our information in order, we start cancelling one by one, from front and one from the end, from front, from the end, from front to the end. Now when we get one value in the middle, that's automatically our median. Unfortunately, we get 2 values which are left in the middle. So what do we do next? We shall add the 2 values. After adding the 2 values, then we divide by 2, and hence our median will be 5.5. Lastly, find the mean mark. As we know, mean means average. So we shall get the sum and then we divide by number of items. Now, what shall we add? We shall add all this information. And we shall divide by 10. 3 plus 4, that is 7. 7 plus 10, 17. 17 plus 5, we get 22. We get 28. We get 34. 41. 48. And 56. Now, total is 56 of all the data, divided by 10, and we get 5.6 as our our mean. Now, if you check closely, you'll realize that our first answer was 5, our second answer was 5, our third answer was 5 point something, and our final answer was 5 point something. Now, we always say that whenever we get all the answers ranging from the same place, this data was really statistical. Now, that is our small question about ungrouped data, and we're looking at the range, the median, the mode, and the mean. Hope you understood well. Thank you for watching. My name is Mr. Ishengoma.